Dr. Nick, what are you doing there, man?
Hey man, I'm checking out all the awesome recipes that are gonna be at recipe night.
For recipe night, are you gonna make some food?
Well, I might make some food, but I ain't gonna probably share it.
You know recipe night's meant to be shared with people, right?
What? No. Are you sure?
Yeah, because there's gonna be a lot of people there.
All right, well, there's a lot of awesome recipes in here, but I don't think there's gonna be enough food for everybody because I'm gonna be there.
And Dr. Nick's gonna eat it all.
That's all I ever think about, man, is just food.
So make sure that you're signed up, right?
Oh, absolutely, because if you don't beat me there ain't gonna be no food probably there.
This dude can eat. That's all he does is dream about food. Look at this guy.
Oh, absolutely. All right, well, I will see you guys there at recipe night, or maybe I won't. That's March 26th from 2 to 4. If you don't get there by 2, you're probably gonna miss out on all the delicious food that there's gonna be, all right?